stars up above in your eyes. A fantabulous night to make romance beneath the cover of October skies. And all the leaves on the trees are falling to the sounds of the breezes that blow. And I'm trying to please to the calling of your heartstrings that play soft and low. And all the night's magic seems to whisper and hurt. And all the soft moonlight seems to shine in your blush. Can I just have one more dance with you? Oh my love, can I just make some more romance with you? Oh my love, well I wanna make love with you tonight, but I can't wait till the morning. And I know that the time is just right, and straight into my arms you will run. And when you come, my heart will be waiting to make sure that you're never alone. There and then all my dreams will come true, dear. There and then I will make you my own. And every time I touch you, you just tremble inside. And I know how much you want me that you can't hide. Can I just have one more dance with you? Oh my love, can I just make some more romance with you? Oh my love.
Wow, the trouble with beer, that's so stop it, I'm smart.
Just one more move. In the moonlight, on a magic night. Well, can I